Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And I would like to first start telling you that most of my videos, if you don't know me, if you haven't subscribed to my funnels, most of my videos are about marketing online, online marketing tools, work for home-based businesses or online businesses. And this is what most of my videos are about. But this is one marketing tool that anyone can use and you can get it for free. It's a get a free account with Getresponse. When you're marketing online, of course, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a marketing system that will bring in subscribers to your business opportunity, your products, or what have you. And you're going to need leads that you can promote your uh, capture page or your marketing system to that creates your capture pages. And you're going to need a way to get those leads. And the last thing that you're going to need that completes it all is a business opportunity. So here we have here a marketing system that you can get for free, that you can set up your capture pages to present to your leads, and a way to bring those leads inside to see your business opportunity. It doesn't matter what business you're in, what products you're selling, you can use this system and it's free. Before now, we all had to pay, but you can get started for free and it can be free forever. And you can see what you might want to upgrade to if you want to upgrade. But right now, it's free forever. It's a free account. And what I want you to do is to take a look at it for yourself. And if you're marketing anything online, I've been marketing online for some years now, and I've used different marketing systems that will allow me to create capture pages. And most of those marketing systems uh, will charge you monthly. Every month you have to pay from 50 to 80 to $100 to use these marketing systems to create your capture pages. And here's one that you can get for free. So if you're here looking at this video and want to look at this product or this marketing system, which is a business opportunity as well, you can click on this tag right here that say click here. Get a free account with Getresponse. Check it out for yourself. Click here. We're going to click there. And once you get over here, up here it say get your business online with Getresponse free forever plan. Start now and learn more right here. And here's some of the solutions, features, pricing, support. Let's check out some of the features. If you're in business, like I was saying, you need a marketing system that will allow you to do email marketing. People that will receive your email or your messages that will promote your business opportunity, which inside of this inside of this marketing system, it's a business and a marketing system, both in one. You can start creating those capture pages and draw leads to your business opportunity, which you can build up a funnel. A funnel is an autoresponder, which you have an autoresponder inside of here that you can set up messages to send out over and over again to your leads. Right here is a email creator. Click there. See what it's all about. Email creator. Create beautiful, responsive emails with an easy drag and drop builder. And it say engage your audience and grow your business with professional email marketing campaigns. No HTML skills required. You don't have to know a lot about HTML codes or anything like that. It's a drag and drop marketing system that you can use, and it's very simple. Once you learn it, you'll realize it's nothing to it. And right here it say try Getresponse for free. Then we're going to go down here to the autoresponder. You heard me talking about the autoresponder. It's an email autoresponders automate email sequences designed to maximize conversion. Autoresponders are messages sent automatically to subscribers based on time or a particular event. Using autoresponders correctly can be a very powerful, simple part of a complete email marketing strategy. Down here again, it says try Getresponse for free. And let's go over here. Let's go over here to solution. Generate leads. You heard me talking about the leads. Complete lead generation software. Build customer journeys designed for conversion and naturally turn anonymous connection into leads, fans, and customers. Sign up free. Sell knowledge. Digital marketing tools to sell knowledge online. Share knowledge with your audience and create a new source of income. Build a following, engage them with content, and turn your expertise into a profitable business. Start for free. So there you have it. If you want to engage into this marketing system and join for free, like I was saying from the beginning, it said get your business online with Getresponse free forever plan. So you click the button right there, start for free. You create your account, full name, email address, password, and create your account. It's that simple. Once you get in, you can learn from this very system how to start marketing online, start email marketing online. And that's the bottom line. If you want to learn, if you want to be profitable in what you're selling, promoting, join Getresponse. It's free. And you will be brought to this page once you see my page. It's going to be at the bottom of this video, a link that will bring you to this page. Just click here, and I'm an affiliate of Getresponse. You will be signing under my link, so that's why I'm promoting it. And you will learn more about the affiliated part once you join. Get a free account with Getresponse. Check it out for yourself. Click here. All right. My name is Marlon Carter. I am the Elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I love preaching the gospel, and I love marketing online, making extra money from home, and I know you will be too. All right. Thank you for your time, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.